Welcome to GS Motorclub Ask the Expert. My name is Alan Reichenthal. I work at Lamborghini Paramus and I am a Lamborghini expert. So my highest level of knowledge definitely surrounds Lamborghini as a brand, but I can offer my opinion on any car available, whether it's new or old. I've been passionate about cars since I'm 5 years old. I used to study the car magazines. I still read about all the cars that are available. I have hundreds of clients that I've offered my opinion to, and I have hundreds of satisfied clients. I've worked at Lamborghini Paramus about 5 years now. I'm familiar with all aspects of the buying process. I can offer my assistance and opinion before the sale and after the sale. I can help you with maintenance questions, service questions, pretty much anything that's involved in the car buying process before and after. So again, my name is Alan Reichenthal. I work for Lamborghini Paramus in Paramus, New Jersey. I am part of the GS Motorclub Ask the Expert, and I'm here to help you with anything you need.